I recently harvested my potatoes and radish, so I will be showing you guys today how that went. This was my potatoes, I think in March or April. I think it was April. And these were my radishes, and I did only harvest 6 of them, and I realize now that I could have planted a little less because the rest of them were all devoured by green caterpillars after that, so I just tossed them. But these were the radishes. They were really cute.
Oh no, oh.
Here.
Wow, beauty.
Only some of these are ready though. There.
That looks like those little like strawberry core things.
What do you mean?
You know that little kitchen gadget where you remove the strawberry leaves? Those don't look like it.
I don't know what they look like.
Straw. No, it's like it's like a claw machine.
Why is the dirt all stuck together?
Because they need so much water, and they're kind of thirsty right now. It will water the rest after. Oh my god, they're so cute. Put it on top of the soil.
Oh.
But it's okay.
And then this one, this long one.
Come on then.
See?
Wow.
It's big.
Oh wow,
That looks like the eggplant emoji.
Yeah. The rest we shall water and let them grow more.
Bogus?
Yay! Wait, give it to me.
Somehow. Like a little kid. Oh, you can stand up.
Come on.
Yay!
They're so tiny.
Okay.
And now we have the potatoes. I planted these at the end of February, and I harvested them in mid-June. So,
What should we? There. Okay. Twins. And they were roommates. What are you doing? A tiny one. Oh my goodness.
yay!
Nice.
Okay, let's keep going.
悠悠 should come， 我赶快就弄好了。More. Yay, there's so much. Oh, they're all roots. Yay. Oh my goodness, this is really fun. So fun. There's even a root. This is so. Do you think there's more deeper?
Yeah,
Where's the other glove?
it's inside. I only took one.
Oh wow.
Yay!
Why aren't potatoes
sorry.
connected to anything? Why is it just there?
It is roots. They're connected to roots.
I got no roots.
有啦，你等一下就会看到。Some of them were more connected.
Why
Some
did you
of them.
do left hand? Aren't you right-handed?
Oh, more. More. Ah,
Okay.
I got potatoes. Tater tots.
You can.
Cut out. Okay. Take out.
Yeah, you can put them into there.
just keep digging?
Yeah, there might be more
at the
digger.
bottom.
No, I don't know about that.
More at the bottom, I mean. There.
My treasure. Oh my god. Wow.
Sorry.
Hold on, put another one on there. Okay, never mind, never mind. It's okay, it's okay. The tiny one. You missed it. It disappeared.
It's okay.
I made sure to fertilize them with soybean meal granular fertilizer every 2 weeks, and I actually only had to water it 2 or 3 times by hand because most of it was watered by the rain, so that was great. This is what it looked like after we cleaned them off, just with our hands. Don't wash them before you store them, because that will make it spoil faster. And we just put it in a cardboard box and stored them in our basement because it's very cool there. I hope you enjoyed. This was really, really fun, and I will definitely be planting potatoes again. Because it's so fun to dig them up.